Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make fish molee. Let's get started. First we're going to marinate the fish. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a plate. Add pepper. Add lemon juice. Add half teaspoon of ginger paste and half teaspoon of garlic paste. Add salt. Now we're going to marinate the fish. We are using kingfish. We have 6 pieces of kingfish, so we're gonna marinate this about 15 to 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes, now we're gonna fry the fish. Add coconut oil into a heated pan. We are gonna shallow fry the fish. Our first batch is ready. Now we have 2 more fish to fry. The second batch is done. In a different pan, add ghee. Fry some cashew nuts and raisins. Add the raisins. Keep this in a side. In the same ghee, add cinnamon, 4 cardamom, and 7 cloves. Add onion. Add some salt. Sort it. Add some curry leaves. Now it's soft now we're gonna add the second coconut milk. mix it. The coconut milk has thickened. Now we're gonna add the fried fish. Add tomato pieces on top. It's been a few minutes now. Now we're gonna add the thick coconut milk. It has been a few minutes now. Now we're gonna add the raisins and cashew nuts we fried earlier. Turn off the heat. You don't want your tomatoes to overcook. Smells so good. Serve it with appam or bread. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.